In today's video, I will walk you through how to update Discord on PC. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open the Discord desktop app on your PC. Make sure you're using the installed application, rather than Discord in a web browser. If Discord is already running, bring the app to the front. Then press Ctrl+R on your keyboard at the same time. This refreshes the Discord app and can trigger it to check for available updates. The Discord window may briefly flicker or reload. Give it a moment to finish. If an update is available, Discord may begin downloading it automatically in the background. Once the refresh is complete, close Discord completely. Check the system tray near the clock and make sure Discord isn't still running in the background. If you see the Discord icon, right-click it and choose Quit Discord. After Discord has completely closed, reopen the app from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Discord will check for updates during startup and apply any available update. You may briefly see an updating screen while the process finishes. Keep your internet connection active and allow Discord to complete the update before using the app. If nothing happens after pressing Ctrl+R, don't worry. You may already be running the latest version, or the update may have already been downloaded. That's it. Open Discord, press Ctrl+R to refresh the app, completely close Discord, and then reopen it to apply any available updates. And that's how to update Discord on PC. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.